Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. So today we're gonna go to Shangri-La Mall sa East Wing kasi may nagbukas na bagong parang shopping center. So we're gonna go shop today. Yun lang naman yung agenda natin for today. And then we're gonna go back home straight. Kasi mamayang 4 PM magkakaroon ng nationwide earthquake drill. And I think parang magkakaroon ng traffic jam. Kasi nga, ititigil lahat ng mga major roads and all of that. So, yun. Target namin is makauwi before that happens. Mar's gonna go with me. Sobrang simpleng makeup look for today. Wala akong kahit ano. Mascara lang, kilay, foundation, lipstick. This is Velvet Teddy from MAC. And here's my outfit for today. A top from Uniqlo. And then, oh, diba matching ng nails ko. Love it. And then, jeans or pants from H&M. Muy bien bonita heels. We're here, guys. So, this is the Park Fashion and Lifestyle Store. Ayan, so ngayon yung opening niya. Level 4 ito, diba? Katabi ng Ogalala. There you go. We're here! It's March! Hi! Jay! So excited. Mag-go around na tayo para mag-shopping. Yes, love it. Thanks, Mom! We're gonna shop! There! So ito, guys, yung mga products ni Eunice Sasson. Look at this denim skirt. Ang ganda, girl. Oh my gosh. Ganito yung nahanap ko yung ganda. And then may mga tops din siya. There you go. I really like this one though. Parang wrap around the top siya. Tapos may mga jackets. Ay, may turn na siyang bottom pala. Ay, hindi. Top din pala. Sorry. So before shopping, we're gonna go eat muna. So here we have coffee. Cool. Gusto mo coffee? Food. Nami, panakota, sandwiches, pasta. Croquette ba yan, mahal?
Parang.
Sa side naman na to is Silk Swimwear. We're actually gonna pick one swimsuit. Ayan. Ito yung pinili ko, guys. It's an off-shoulder swimsuit. Sa bahay ka na lang siya i-fit. Ayan. Mayroon silang large size, so that's perfect. Next booth, we're here sa Wash Mama. Ano yung products ng Wash Mama?
Everything is made out of washable paper. This is a
line. Oh
line.
my gosh, washable paper?
Yes, it's washable paper. It's a line created entirely in Italy.
Oh my goodness,
all the leather trimmings are from the finest tanneries of Tuscany. You know, they decided why not come up with different sizes, different colors, and then they've expanded the line to include fashion bags. Hi, we're Inex Philippines. We'd like to invite you to visit us here at the park. We're very proud to bring Wash Mama to the Philippines. It's a line entirely made in Italy. All the products are made of washable paper. You can also visit our website. Yeah, it's www.washin, so that's UASH-IT.com.
You have Instagram?
Yes, we also have Instagram. It's washmama_page.
Yay!
And Facebook.
Yay! Thank you! Next, we have Cold Vintage. So, clothes! So, ito yung pipiliin ko, guys. Yung pants. Very, ano siya. Flowy. Yeah, kita pants. I changed my mind. May nakita akong jumpsuit. Ang ganda. 1-2 na lang siya kasi 20 off today. Lovely. It's black, so I'm gonna get this one. Then we have Nippon, House of Scents. And so they have like different scents, guys. So meron silang yung mga reed diffuser, ayan. And then of course, si Bokto. Lashes. Makeup removers. Tools, ayan. Cool. Next is Kaayo. What is Kaayo? Dito? Yeah. May mga print. Ang ganda ng mga prints niya. Nice. Soap Story.
Yung sa kabila.
Of course, mga soap. Ang cute ng mga name. Wow. Valley of Shadow. Let me smell. Ooh, bango. This one is Kathy. So, we have tassel earrings, bags. Ay, ang ganda ng mga bags. I like that. So cute. Cycling. Cycling, attire. Cool. This part naman, we have Sola Jewelry. So, lahat yan. Nice. Iba-iba. Ganda, oh. 2,500. 3,000. Ang ganda, mahal, oh. Wow, we have Moda Bella by 37LA. Girl, look at that. That's so cute. We also have Sush in this shopping area, guys. Yay, Sush! So, lahat ng mga makeup stuff, mga chain cases, lahat. Blanket. Oh, mermaid blankets. Ang cute. We also have makeup brushes, accessories. Ayan. This one naman is... Oh my gosh, ang dami, girl. I cannot. Oh my gosh, guys, they have Japanese stuff here. Oh my gosh, ang galing sa Japan, no? Yung Shiseido Baby. We have that soap, beauty soap. Remember that? Cool. These are all from Tokyo Beauty Bar pala, guys. Cool. They have Shuimura, oh. K-palette. They have more clothes here, guys. Ayan. Waist trainers. Girl, ito yung para sa airplane. Ayan. That's so cute.
And then this is the mode where you can strap this to the back of your seat.
Okay.
And then you lay down like this or like this.
Ang galing!
Or even sa car, you know, during road trips.
Love it. What's the name of the store?
Suit Up.
Suit Up. Ayan, Suit Up. Meron si Suit Up. 1999 yan, guys. Bongga. Ah, pati yung mga luggage covers. They have all of that.
And then it comes with a pouch.
Mahal. Ay, meron silang ano. I love that.
That's fur shoes.
Raincoat shoes. Cute.
Expensive glass.
Oh, I love it. We have Amber Lights Laguna. How much yung lava? Ay, not lava. Sorry. Himalayan salt. Wala pang price. Okay, sige. Then we have more candles here. This one is, ano to? Sewn sandals, hide and seek leathers. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, ang ganda nga. Yeah. Nice, oh. Yes. This one, oh. Mahal ganda. Guys, oh my gosh. Finally. It's Andy! Grabe, ang tagal na namin di nagkita, girl.
Yes, sobra. It's nice to
way
be
back.
Yeah.
Way back. 2000 what?
2000, siguro mga 2008, 9, 10, 11.
Ang tagal na, grabe. Stop! I miss you! I met Angela. Hi!
Hello po.
Pinadalhan kami, guys, ni Wagyu Shop PH ng mga premium quality beef. These are Wagyu cubes. So we're gonna have this for lunch. My gosh. Si Mark magluluto. Look at this. Ayan. May instructions pa kung paano siya lutuin and all of that. Hi, Missy. Thank you for accepting frozen Saikoro Wagyu beef. Yun, yung pala yun. Enjoy 500 grams of delectable Japanese cuisine. Ito, so may thaw meat, 10 seconds. Kailangan pa siya i-marinate, mahal. So, kailangan natin gawin yun. Each side, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so, find them on Wagyu Shop PH. Oh, ang ganda ng Tupperware. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, girl. So, Chef Mark, anong ginamit mong marinate?
Soy sauce.
Ano yung soy sauce? Toyo o ano?
Toyo.
Toyo.
Sauce.
Tapos?
Datu puti.
Tapos?
A little bit of salt.
A little bit?
A little bit of black pepper.
Pepper? Ano pepper?
A little bit of sugar.
Sugar?
Sugar.
And then, what are you doing now?
Nilagay ko na sa bowl.
And then?
Mix.
Cutie!
Yan.
10 minutes.
For 10 minutes, naka-marinate lang siya.
Si Mark yung pinagluto. Ay! Nako! Mahal. Kalat. This is what the jumpsuit looks like, guys, from Cole Vintage. Ang ganda! I love it. I love it so much. Grabe. Perfect fit and it's so comfy. Okay, mag-haul muna tayo habang nagluluto si Mark. We're gonna go in the beauty room. And as you can see, guys, hindi makalat. Pero kasi medyo dumami yung pasok ng mga press kits the past few days. So, okay, we're gonna clean that up today, later on. The Park Fashion and Lifestyle. Shop at the Park Shangri-La Mall. Okay, so you've seen the jumpsuit na. Cole Vintage. That's really awesome. I love it. Then, okay, we have this super cute hat. Ang cute ng hat, no? Ito naman, this one is galing sa Cabana. Ayan. Pom-pom hat. Cabana. It's 890 less 10%, 801 pesos. Ang cute! Super cute. Perfect for the beach. There you go. We have something here from Soak Swimwear. Thank you so much to the owner of Soak Swimwear. And of course, si Marge. Thank you. This is like an off-shoulder bikini top. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. So, this is like an off-shoulder bikini top. Tapos yan, high-waisted na bottoms. Ang cute, no? Can't wait to try it. This one, guys, is a relaxing afternoon salt soak. And if you can really smell it, grabe, sobrang bango. Let me open it. Wait lang. Ayan. So, it's a mixture of salt and other parang dried flowers ba yan? Oh my gosh. I believe it is from Soak Swimwear as well. I'm not really sure. We have something from the Soap Story. Ito naman, I met her kanina. Grabe, ang bait nila. Wait lang ah. Endless Love. Ang babango ng mga soap nila. She also gave me another one eh. Ito. Soap Story din. Parang peppermint naman to. Grabe girl, sobrang bango. As in, super duper bango talaga. Ito medyo pepperminty. This one, I believe, is lavender, no? Ano ba yung Endless Love, mahal? Lavender, di ba? Love? Ay, hindi ko lang sure. Pero parang, ayan.
Endless Love na movie?
Hindi, Love. L-A-V. Oh, gosh, ang bango. Girl. Yan. So, available din yan dun sa The Park. Love it. Next, we have something from Sush. We have a pure aromatherapy spray and brush shampoo. Ayan, 195 and 95 pesos. Let's open it. Cool! I'm so excited to try the brush shampoo, guys. So, another product here, we have the Sea Mist Air and Linen Mist with fragrance oil. Oh my gosh. From the Candle Room PH. Oh, girl, I am so into stuff like this. Lalo na kapag OA ka sa paglilinis ng bahay. Yung mga sofa, mga kama, like kung sinisprayan ng mga ganito. Can't wait to try this out. Thank you so much for that. This one is from School of Satchel. Ito naman for Mark. He picked it out. It's so nice, diba? Wait lang. Ang Instagram nila is the School of Satchel. Genuine leather luggage tag. It's 500 pesos with monogramming colored tan. Okay. So, pwede mo siyang... Mahal. Pwede pala ipaano to. Oh my gosh, ang bango-bango. Wow. Ang bango-bango. Okay, balik tayo dito. So, yan yung tag. Ang ganda. Perfect yan. I don't know how to pronounce it. 80 style. So, may mga notepads, may pens. Sobrang na-amaze ako dito, guys. Kasi kakaiba talaga yung material niya. Ang galing, no? Wash Mama. It's a cute, what do you call this? Holder. Siguro pwedeng lipstick holder to or something. This one is from Mermaid Dreams PH, guys. Ang cute, no? Nakakita na ako ng ganyan before. Love it. Okay, next we have Alco Spray. Ay, girl. Another product that is so me. Alco Spray, girl. Thank you for that one. This one is from Amber Lights Laguna. Premium Home Fragrances. Ayan. Actually, madami silang mga products din doon for the home. Body, room, and linen mist. Saan ka pa, girl? Pwede sa body. Pwede rin sa mga room and linen. So, diba? Gumulong ka na lang after mo spray sa body mo. Bongga yan. Then, ano pa ba? Okay, we have this one from Swordfish. Nagbigay sila ng parang cycling stuff, mahal. Kaso XS. Although maganda. Si Jinky Pacquiao, diba? XS. Sabi sa mga billboard. And then, what else do we have here? Okay, this one is from... Let's open it, ha? This one is from Susto. Susto label. Is it correct? The label. Ayan. Thank you so much for that. Then we have sample sizes of the room fragrance or, yeah, fragrances. At a travel shoe bag. Perfect to mga gamit namin sa Taiwan. And then we have like Chavalo. It's from Golden Ticket Sexy Shop. Yan. Pag gusto nyo ng mga travel size na pabango, bongga yan. Lastly, we have Organic Harvest Coffee. Ooh. Bongga. From where ba to? This is the Bugtao Brew. Mahal, we have coffee.
Coffee, nakita ko nga marami.
Saan to galing? Sa ano? Wash Mama? Hindi. Check ko kung saan galing to, ha? Yan yung itsura ng coffee. Nice. I just did a flat lay of everything, guys. Ayan na siya. Without the jumpsuit, though. Kasi nakatabi. Ayan. Love it. Guys, ito na yung kinalabasan ng luto ni Mark. Oh my gosh, guys. Natikpan ko. Hindi ko na-film yung reaction pop ko. Pero grabe. Ibang klase yung pagsabog ng flavor sa bibig. Oh my gosh. Wagyu. First time ko rin kasi makatry ng Wagyu. So, oh my goodness. So, kapag dineliver sa inyo yung Wagyu na beef, guys, it will come in this, mahal ang tawag dito? Ice cream bag?
Parang ano siya eh.
Ang tawag dun? Ang tawag, insulated bag.
Insulator.
Tama ba? Ayan. Frozen. Oh, love it. They ship via Grab Express. So, you can get it right away.
Yeah.
Na-deliver to nung umaga. So, bongga. Thank you so much, Wagyu.